Luxury all-in-one gel nail starter kit. This kit comes with beautiful gift box and provide essential manicure tools, popular soft 12, nude gray, solid colors, 72W nail lamp, with base coat glossy, matte top coat and multi-shapes AB rhinestones, shiny glitters, a pair of moisturizing hands mask gloves, really makes you enjoy doing gel manicure at home, ideal as a wonderful holiday gift for her as well. 12 Candy Neutral. A wonderful collection of pastels candy colors, whose romantic and lovely shades can sweet your life. We call it Candy Princess, a pretty name for the glamorous tones. These neutrals is soft and vivid, popular in all seasons, can match your all kinds of outfit styles. 72W Super Fast Nail Lamp. Powerfully and efficiently, this lamp has 30 quality LEDs that can maximally save your 70% curing time. Innovative painless low heat, makes you feel comfortable during curing nails. It can perfectly cure all kinds of UV LED-based gel products, no worry for curing hard gel builder. With smart auto sensor and touch LCD display screen, 4 timers durable and easy to use. Detachable bottom design for curing toes and big space to enhance experience. Fun of at-home manicure kit. Stop wasting your money to nail salon. Try to create nail art fun at home with family members. Great value to own various nail art products. Gellen all-in-one luxury nail starter kit helps you make salon quality easily. Great for nail art fans and nail beginners. Gellen quality nail gel. Long-lasting, with proper application, it can last up to 14 to 21 days. Environment-friendly products with healthy ingredients, low odor, non-toxic. Gel brushes incredibly smooth, pigmented colors as expected, wears like gel, good tenacity. Any quality issues about this kit? Please feel free to contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. More than what I expected. I loved how the quality of the entire product. I actually was surprised on the size of the machine. I was already thinking it was going to be small. However, it's a great size. It took a total of an hour to do both hands and feet all together. I highly recommend.